The break-even point is a fundamental concept in business and investing. Let's look at what it means to actually cover your costs. At its core, this is the exact moment where total revenue equals total expenses, resulting in zero profit and zero loss. If you sell fewer units than this, you are operating at a loss. Sell more, and you enter the territory of profit. Understanding these three pillars allows you to calculate exactly how much volume is needed to sustain a business or a new project. Many people confuse these two, but break-even is just the starting line. Profit only happens once you move past that point. As you can see, costs remain a hurdle until you hit that middle bar. Every unit sold after that contributes directly to the bottom line. Use this calculation to stress test your ideas. If the break-even point seems unrealistic, you may need to adjust your costs or pricing strategy. Understanding your break-even point helps you make better decisions. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning about how money moves.